Hello, it's Friday the 23rd of March, and in this video I'm going to look at the latest Thunderball result and see if I can figure out some reasons why these numbers came out and try and predict what's going to happen next. Now, in the last EuroMillions draw, I won £30. As you can see, there's £20 on this ticket. I also had a paper ticket because I needed some instant cash, so I bought a paper ticket as well. So I only got one number, but because I am using this strategy, I made sure that when I did get one number, I won enough money to cover my losses and still make a profit, and that's what I've done. So altogether, on the EuroMillions hot picks so far since the hot picks game was launched, I've probably made about a profit of about £110 so far. So yeah, this is for real. Yeah, I'm not just like gambling for the sake of it. I'm actually making money off this. Not a lot of people can say that. So let's just see where those numbers were on the chart before draw 1095. Okay, so there were the main numbers, and after draw 1094, this is what the chart looked like, and this is where the winning numbers were. Now you can see why I picked number 37. Obviously it's because it's nearest to the top right corner, so that means it's the most overdue for its frequency. Now if we just look at more recent history, still 37 on the edge of the chart, nearest top right corner. So number 37 was consistently on the edge of the chart, most overdue for its frequency. That's why I picked 37. That's why I had 3 lines on that one number. That's why I was expecting it to come out, and it did. Now if I'd have got some other numbers with it, that would have been even better. Now if you look at a chart for number 37, that's where the winning numbers were on that chart to coincide with 37. And if you look at the full history, now you can see why I was expecting 33 to come out, but it didn't. Instead, these numbers came out. So a little bit hard to predict that one. You can see that 26 is on the edge of the chart, and 29 also very near to the edge. So you can see possible reasons why those numbers came out. Now something interesting to note as well, in this last month on the EuroMillions, if we look at the draw history, now if we look at this draw, you can see it's machine free, set of balls free. Right. Now in draw 1093, they changed from set of balls 3 to set of balls 5. and they don't usually do that. Normally they stick with the same machine and set of balls for the entire month, and then they change when the month changes. But for some strange reason, in the middle of the month, they changed to set of balls 5, and I wasn't expecting that. So let's see what difference it makes. This is a chart for set of balls 3. That's what it looks like. 37 most frequent. Interesting. And this is a chart for set of balls 5. Now 37 is not quite as near to the edge of the chart, but it still came out. So I was happy with that when it came out, but I'm a little bit confused as to why, for the first time ever, they've changed the set of balls in the middle of the month. But anyway, moving on. This is what the chart looks like now. Now if you've been watching these videos, you'll know that the reasons why I'm picking number 16 and number 27 together. But the question is, what is going to happen next? Well, number 50 is most frequent, and it's looking kind of average in terms of how long it is since it last occurred. That's kind of where the average is. Number 30 is probably nearest top right corner. 16 and 40 most overdue. Now bearing in mind that it's going to be machine free, this is the chart for machine free. Number 16 is most overdue. So definitely want to pick number 16. And if you're having 16, you need to pick 27 to go with that. I'm not going to explain why, because I'll just be repeating myself. I'll say the same thing over and over again. So assuming it's going to be set of balls 5 as well, this is what the chart for that looks like. Now I've already picked some numbers for a hot pick: 16, 27 and 36. I'm also going to have a line on 16 and 27, but I'll show you why I picked 16, 27 and 36. It is because on the chart for 36, 16 is most overdue for its frequency. 27 is right on the edge of the chart as well, and there's this interesting diagonal line, and 27 is right at the end of it. And if those two numbers do come out with 36, then that'll change like that. They'll drop down to there, and it'll seem to continue the same sort of pattern. So that's my prediction. Now before, I was picking 37 with 16 and 27 because they're both on the edge of the chart for 37 as well. But because 37 has just come out very recently, I'm not betting on it again for a while. Instead, I'm going to bet on 36. Because out of all the numbers, 36 is the best one for 16 and 27. It's the best one to go with them. Because I've actually looked at the chart for every number to see where 16 and 27 were, and that's where they are on the chart for 36. Now if we look at the main chart and the recent history, since the number of star numbers went up to 12, let's see where those numbers are. So for my EuroMillions ticket, I just need 2 numbers to go with these. Now number 30 again is on the edge of the recent chart and also on the full draw history chart, and it's nearest top right corner. So I will pick number 30 for that reason. And if we look at a chart for 36, let's see where 30 is on that chart. Just down there in the middle. So I think maybe to go with those, I might just pick number 50, simply because it's most frequent. So I've got most overdue for its frequency, and most frequent. They're usually the best ones to go for, so that's my main numbers chosen. Now I'm going to look at the star numbers. Since they went up to 12, so maybe number 3, because it's most overdue for its frequency. Let's see what numbers go well with the main numbers I've picked. So number 9 maybe. Number 9 again. Number 9, not bad on that one. I'm pretty good with that as well. And it's also most frequent, so that's my choice for tonight's EuroMillions. So in conclusion, that just about wraps up this video. Good luck in tonight's draw. Feel free to pick the same numbers that I'm picking, and bye for now.